Welcome to my YouTube channel. The Daily Post brings another best informative video about Pakistan Steel Mills, which has a production capacity of 1.1 to 5.0 million tons of steel and iron foundries. In this video, we will discuss about history of Pakistan Steel Mills, and evaluate the causes of failure, from highest production to zero. If you are new, please subscribe this channel, and write your feedback in comment box. Keep watching the Daily Post. Choose the best way to learn. Pakistan Steel Mills is one of the most enormous and gigantically expanded industrial complexes in the country, that is located at a distance of 40 kilometers southeast of Karachi, near Port Mohammed bin Qasim. Due to its infrastructure and enormous expansion capacity, it is difficult to determine the current value of assets of Pakistan Steel Mills, while others approximating the business assets reaching to then range from 72.5 billion to 100 billion rupees of total value. After Muhammad Ali Jinnah Gate, behind it lies 19,000 acres of land that houses various constituent parts of Pakistan Steel Mills, 20 different plants, including a thermal power station, forklifts, warehouses, conveyor belts, railway tracks, stockyards. Pakistan Steel Mills not only had to construct the main production units for 2.2 metric tons per year, but also a host of infrastructure facilities involving unprecedented volumes of work and expertise. An insulated two-way conveyor belt, about 4.5 kilometers long, appears to be in perfect shape, even though it has not moved an inch for over a year. It used to carry raw materials such as coal and iron ore, from the docks at nearby Port Qasim, and transported manufactured goods to the port. These machines are capable of shifting 1,000 tons of coal or iron ore, in 1 hour from the yards to the conveyor belt, that then carries them to different plants. Pakistan Steel today is the country's largest industrial undertaking, having a production capacity of 1.1 million tons of steel, and not completed to its layout design of 2.2 metric ton per year in a period of 40 years, 1973 to 2013. Pakistan Steel Mill is one of the largest industrial complexes in Pakistan, as well as in South Asia, and due to its enormous expansion, the steel mill has its own educational facilities, such as Pakistan Steel Cadet College and Pakistan Steel Institute of Technology, housing and residential programs, parks and recreation facilities, and police services apart from the provisional authorities. It was found to be an ecologically preferable location, alongside a tidal creek, and having a wind direction away from the city of Karachi. Due to its importance, the steel mills followed strict environmental policies regulated by the Environmental Protection Agency of the Ministry of Environment. All health, safety and healthy working environment is continuously regulated under a design system. Pakistan Steel Mills, besides its core activities, has done a lot in making the environment in and around Pakistan Steel green and beautiful through the addition of the unique projects. By 1956, Pakistan had received a proposal from the Soviet Union, offering technical and economic assistance to build the proposed steel mill. In 1973, a number of Soviet economic delegations and steel experts visited Pakistan. Component units of the steel mills numbering over 20, and each a big enough factory in its own right, were commissioned as they were completed between 1981 and 1985, with the coke oven and byproduct plant coming on stream first and the galvanizing unit last. On December 30th that year, Bhutto laid the foundation stone for Pakistan Steel Mills. Engineer Niaz Muhammad and materials scientist Wahab Siddiqui received training in Soviet Russia, and trained thousands of scientists and technical staff. Soviet scientist Dr. Mikhail Koltykov flew to Pakistan, and settled in the country, to provide training to Pakistan's technical staff. Their inspirations and innovations led them to earn the highest award from Pakistan, and also from the Soviet Union. The commissioning of Blast Furnace No. 1, on August 14, 1981 marked Pakistan's entry into the elite club of iron and steel producing nations. The project was completed, at a capital cost of 24.7 million rupees. The completion of the steel mill was formally launched by President General Zia-ul-Haq on January 15, 1985. 12 railway coaches are parked inside a wagon shop. They once fetched molten iron ore from one part of the mills to another. They are regularly maintained, and can be put back to work at short notice. But now they stand idly. 2 blast furnaces at the iron-making department stand idly, held steady by their frames. The giant ladles that once shifted processed iron ore from the furnaces onto the railway coaches stand motionless and empty, like the outstretched hands of a beggar. You'll be surprised to see that, during peak production periods of Pakistan steel mills, following major units was running with their quality products. Coke oven and byproduct plant. It was producing coke with O2 batteries, each contains 49 ovens. Sintering plant. It has 2 sinter machines for sintering process. Iron making department. It was producing pig iron with 2 blast furnaces. Steel making plant. It was producing cast bloom, cast billet, cast slab with 2 liters. D. Converters, 1 bloom caster, 1 billet caster, 2 slab casters. Billet mill. It was producing quality billets with size 800 mm reversible stand. Hot strip mill. It was producing hot roll coils and plates with 2 reheating furnaces of size 1700 mm universal stand. Cold rolling mill. It was producing cold roll coils and sheets, galvanized coils and sheets, hot roll sheets by 4 high reversible machines with 1 bell-type annealing furnace. Thermal power plant and turbo blower station. It is to produce electricity 110 MW with 3 generators of 55 MW each. Iron ore and coal jetty. It is to unload having 27.5 ton lifting capacity and 1000 ton per hour unloading capacity, with 2 unloader which 7 km conveyor belt up to plant, for dumping through universal machines. Let's have a look at peak production periods of Pakistan steel mills. The production capacity increased during following period. 76% in 1999 to 2000. 86% in 2000 to 2001. 81% in 2001 to 2002. 92% in 2002 to 2003. 94% in 2003 to 2004. And 89% in 2004 to 2005. And then start the production to fall down, due to some major wrong decisions by management, cause of destruction of Pakistan steel mill. It will be a surprise for you to see the employed workers worth of Pakistan steel mill from year 1990 to year 2020. Pakistan steel mill had total employees 27,567 in year 1990, and it become just 8,884 employees till year 2020, as mentioned clearly in below chart. Due to permanent shutdown of country's big steel complex, due to worst corruption. Thanks for watching this valuable video. In next video, we will evaluate the facts about the failure of gigantic steel complex of Pakistan. See you in next video with more detail. If you are watching first time, please subscribe and write your feedback. Keep watching the Daily Post. Choose the best way to learn.